What is up, guys? Welcome to the video, and today we are told to simplify fully without the use of a calculator. All right, let's get to it. So I'm simply gonna expand these before I do anything. Right, so this was supposed to be a 2. I made a mistake. I'm sorry. All right, it's all correct now. So I'm simply gonna say 2 to the power n multiplied by 5. It will give you 10 to the power n plus 2 to the power n times 2 to the power 2, right? And there's an n over here, so I'm simply gonna say, and this one I'm just gonna say 25n because 5 squared is equal to 25, right? 25n plus 4 into 5 to the power n. Now this will also be worked out the same as the upper part, right? Because the aim is to take out a common factor, right? So I continue. I say this is 2 to the power n times 5 plus 2 to the power n times 4, right? And now here comes the tricky part, because you would expect me to say, maybe to go back and forth with saying this is 5 squared or something like that, but you know that uh, 25 can be written as 5 squared, but it can also be written as 5 times 5, right? So why not say 5 to the power n times 5, right? The aim is to expand, plus 4 times 5 to the power n. Now here comes the part that, oh, I forgot the n, but I remembered in time. All right, so now we continue. We say 2 to the power n as a common factor is okay, we multiply by 1 and 5, then 1 and 4, right? And we also take out 5 to the power n. So let me tell you something. Before you can take out a common factor, it has to be visible in each and every term. 5 to the power n into 1 times, and I'm just showing you by the ones, I'm just showing you that this is where there was the 5 to the power n in the full expression, right? All right, multiplied by 5 plus 4 times 1, right? And now this is the same thing. This can also be written as, okay, let me go up a bit so you can see. This is the same as saying n 2 to the power n and then saying 5 plus 4, and also saying, oh, this was 5 to the power n 5 plus 4. It will cancel out, and then you are left with this n root n over 2 to the power n 5 to the power n. Now you don't have to be confused here. It is quite tricky, but what you want to do when you get to this part is you're gonna expand. You are trying to remove the square root. This will be 2 to the power n over n all over 5 to the power n over n, and these will cancel out, leaving you with 2 over 5. This is your final answer. And maybe I just went a little bit too fast on this part, but um here's how you can actually remember this part every time you come across it. um the square root of, maybe let me say, the square root of x, right? You can also write that as x to the power 1 over 2, right? Because there's a 2 here. So that's why maybe whenever you come across something like this one, you will have to change and say maybe this is 2 to the power n over n, right? I just hope maybe you understood that, and it was interesting. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you next time.